Just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, when are you gonna stop harassing, at this time in my YouTube blog that Paulo Cruzada is threatening to kill everyone. Even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan is saying about, what's this? Are you gonna read it? Sige, patayin ko pa si Jerick Silva. Patayin ko si Luis Cabales. Subukan mo ako, hawak kong suicide bomber. Patayin ko ang mga pamilya mo, Luis Cabales. You know what? Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you should never be in Lasal. You're very shameless. You know, you're making a bomb joke. Oh, Paulo Cruzada is saying about to Kuya Mel. Pugutan si Kuya Mel Nixon Castro and Luis Cabales. Ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Inaka. Paulo Cruzada, you do not know what you're talking about. When you are special, when you attack everyone, even Jerick Silva, is this what you like, Paulo Cruzada? For me, guys, Danmar Dayo and I, we already stopped making fake account. Danmar Dayo and I, we already stopped creating group chat as we listen to Manuel Luis Antonio and Baha Hernando. Even Cedric, you listen to Baha Hernando. Even you, Paulo Cruzada, kailan ka ba titino like I said to you? Even Kuya Mel, Nixon Castro, you ruin the husband of Ate Hana. Subukan mo lang, Paulo Cruzada. If I say to you, Kuya Mel, i-salvage victim no yan si Paulo Cruzada. Lagay mo na yan sa maleta. That's the word. If I were you, Kuya Mel, Nixon Castro, I will bring you up thousands of luggage. I want Paulo Cruzada to be salvaged. Even Dina Guillermo to be salvaged too, including Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan to salvage. I will put them Oplan Tukang. What was Bill Galang says? Pusher ako, wag tularan. Bill Galang says, in the time when I was in Teacher May's class, and I said before, Bill Galang said, pusher ako, wag talwaran. That will be for Paulo Cruzada. At least I heard that from Bill Galang words. Paulo Cruzada, you should never do that to Kuya Mel. Ate Dina Guillermo threatening to beheaded Wari ng Kram, Jobil. Wari ng Kram, my friend there. If you're watching this, Wari ng Kram, you can block Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. And she said it before, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Inaka, pugutan ang mga magulang ni Luis Cabales. Napakabastos mo, Ate Dina Guillermo. I just said to you, why are you threatening to behead Luis Cabales? I'm just gonna say to you, in my YouTube video, why are you threatening to behead? I'm just saying, this is not really funny. Jerick and I, we already left the group chat. When I add Jerick, I just said before, Jerick, ipakita ko lang screenshot, like I said, yung Paulo Cruzada at Dina Guillermo at Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Just like what they are doing. They're still attacking us. They're still attacking anyone. Paulo Cruzada, Luis Cabales has a issue. He said to me, wag i-use ang Facebook. I know already, Luis Cabales. I'm not making fake account. Seriously, Danmar and I, we already stopped making fake account, including Cedric. Nagtino na kami, nagbagong buhay na kami, like I said. Same as Tanggol. I say to you, Luis Cabales, I never want to intention to create fake account. I apologize to you, Umalis ka na lang sa group chat. If you're watching this in my YouTube video, you can leave in group chat in my comment section. Oh, you can leave the group chat. Me, Luis Cabales, I always to be behave. I have never create lots of trouble. Remember, Luis Cabales, you can trust Ate Rona, not Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh, mabait yan si Ate Rona. Ate Rona had cooked some, puto during the time I was in Teacher Joy's class. Oh, I remember Ate Rona, when we were in the kiosk, she cooks pancit. Oh, even my mom cooks pancit also. Oh, it's better. Ate Rona's pancit in kiosk, same as my mom's cook pancit. In CDIFI in kiosk, Ate Rona cooks pancit. Oh, even my mom cooks pancit. Even Nanay Banji, Nanay Net, they even cook pancit. I said to you, Luis Cabales, umalis ka na lang, like I said. Wag mo na lang sila kausapin. Do not talk to them. For you, Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, I say to both of you, stop these attacks. Stop creating group chat. Worry is very stressed at you, Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Shania Kiana got stress at all of you, Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Oh, if you add worry ng cam, I ask worry, you can leave the group. Don't need to focus anyway your advocacy in Miss Earth, alongside with Natalie Pushkin-Kova. Just like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, stop creating group chats. Nakakasawa na ito, like I said to you, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. Puro kayo away, puro ko ganyan, like away-away. Add na kayo sa talentik na yung GC na yan, just like what GC is this group chat was. It's not really good. If I were to say to all of you, Cruzada, manahimik ka na lang, like I said. Binabash mo pala si J-Rick. Inaaway mo kasi si J-Rick. Oh, you know that. For me, Paulo Cruzada, stop harassing the other people who have lots of issue. Luis Cabales has issue too. Me, I have lots of issue too. He said to me, wag mo i-use ang Facebook account. But I say to Luis Cabales, I already stopped making fake account. Tumigil na ako. I said to him, when I said to Christian Mingito, when he told me about last 2021, he said to me, Luis Cabales sent you a message. I reply, Christian Mingito. And I said, I never want to mess Luis Cabales. Paulo Cruzada, if you add my friend JD Biniegas, my kumpare JD Biniegas, and my kumpare Chris Soreta, who was in Switzerland. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, JD Biniegas' mom, she can able to sue against you, Paulo Cruzada. And even Chris Soreta, his father was a diplomat in the Philippine Embassy in the Switzerland. He's a lawyer. Subukan mo lang, Paulo Cruzada. You know what you're talking about. Tiriling ka kasi, like I said, when you add anyone in group chat, don't add Ninong Michael there. Me and Manuel Luis Antonio, we're not creating group chat. Paulo Cruzada,